It's loud. See if you can get that suitcase out and roll it around. Hurry up. Do you know how to... Yeah.
Wait, maybe there's something inside here.
Well, there might be something that goes in it. Here, roll it out here.
Wait, don't unzip it yet.
Roll it out here first. What's on the front of it? Uh-oh, maybe shut. Let me
Oh
see.
man, you've got 3 ways to battle on that.
Let me see. The suitcase? Turn it around, I'm sorry. Unzip it all the way, don't pull on it. You might have to lay it down, Brady. No, that expands it, I guess.